Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make
Sun-Dried Tomato Cashew Spread. Soak cashews in warm water for 30 minutes so it will be easier to process nuts. Combine the cashews, water, sun-dried tomatoes and/or peppers, cayenne or chili flakes, cilantro, garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt in a food processor and blend until smooth. Slice cucumber and top with a spread. Garnish with extra herbs. Also makes a great spread for wraps or nori rolls. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.